No.
Feeling right now. Can I ask your reaction?
No question.
No question. What country are you from, sir?
Don't answer any questions, right?
Sir, are you a U.S. citizen? Do you have any reaction?
Remember your right to remain silent.
Imagine walking into a courthouse hoping to fix your status or defend your case, and walking out in ICE custody. This is the nightmare that too many immigrants in the U.S. have faced in recent years. Immigrants often think showing up for court with a lawyer means they're protected, but in reality, that very appearance can make them vulnerable. ICE has been known to arrest undocumented immigrants at or near courthouses, often claiming they're targeting people with criminal records or prior removal orders. But these arrests don't always make distinctions. People who pose no threat, who may simply be trying to resolve their immigration situation, get caught in the net. So the big question people ask, are these lawyers setting their clients up? The fear is understandable, but let's break it down. In most cases, the answer is no. Lawyers are not working with ICE or intentionally setting anyone up. Lawyers are bound by confidentiality and duty to their clients. They're often just as frustrated and helpless when ICE shows up. However, some attorneys may be negligent or uninformed, and that can be just as dangerous. Not knowing about ICE detainers, pending removal orders, or how to protect their client can lead to arrest. This is why it's so important to choose a reputable, experienced immigration lawyer who knows how to evaluate risk before sending a client to court. Before any court appearance, your lawyer should run a background check, look into old deportation orders, and check whether ICE has been active at the court location. Not all court appearances are equal. Some are criminal cases, others are for family court, or even traffic tickets. Yet ICE has shown up to all of them. The cruel irony is that many of these individuals are trying to do the right thing, comply with the law, resolve past issues, or simply fulfill a legal obligation. ICE's presence in courts sends a chilling message to immigrant communities. Even when you follow the rules, you're still a target. This fear drives many people to skip court entirely, which can make their situation worse, resulting in warrants, fines, or new legal problems. That's exactly what ICE relies on: fear and confusion. When people are afraid to go to court, they often go underground and lose legal protections. There are things immigrants can do to protect themselves, but it starts with education and preparation, not panic. First, always consult a trusted immigration attorney before going to any court hearing. Even if it seems unrelated to immigration, ICE could still get involved. Your lawyer should check for any past deportation orders or previous immigration violations that might trigger an ICE detainer. In some cases, your attorney can ask the court for a remote appearance or reschedule the hearing for a safer time or location. Some lawyers also file motions to appear on your behalf, so you don't need to show up in person. This can be a safer option depending on your case. It's also wise to bring someone with you to court, not just for emotional support, but as a witness if anything happens. In many cities, immigrant rights groups and legal observers monitor courthouse activity. Reach out to local organizations for support and guidance. Never speak to ICE agents without your lawyer present. You have the right to remain silent and the right to refuse to sign any documents. Do not lie or provide false information to ICE that can hurt your case more than it helps. Stick to your rights, stay calm, and ask for legal counsel. If ICE tries to detain you, ask for the reason. If it's an old removal order, your attorney may be able to file a motion to reopen your case. If you're taken into custody, don't panic. Memorize your lawyer's number and make sure your family knows how to reach them too. Avoid sharing sensitive immigration details on social media or with people you don't trust. ICE can gather information from various sources.